Come on, Tucker. Hey, Pearl, come. Come on. You can do it, sweetie. Come on. What's the matter? Come on. What? What's your what? Well, I can't. You gotta go around them. It's 3 bottles. They're not gonna do nothing to you. What? You want me to move them? See, if you want the treat, you gotta walk around them. You can do it. You're a big boy. Pearl! See? Just like that. Come on, buddy. Yeah! Good boy! Come on, Papa. Yes! This is a good boy! Yes! Come on, buddy. Oh, you can do it. Come on, sweetheart. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, Pearl. Nice. All right, this one's a tough one. Come on, Pearl. Pearl. Yay.
This is a lot of stuff. I'll be impressed if she can jump over this.
Jeez. Go get Uncle Michael. It's like no problem for her at all. Come on, Pearl. Oh. Good girl. You still got through it. Well, T, I think it's safe to say that girls rule and boys drool. Pearl, you rocked it. You too, T. You did a good job, but Pearl still kicked your butt. What are you doing, T? You guys are both gonna rube at the same time?
What is it with this hallway?
Pearl, what are you doing? What are you doing, monkey butt? Oh my goodness. Oh jeez.
Don't put a hole in the wall. Oh my goodness. This wall, something about it. You got one rub in there, one rub in there.
Do you like sharing the bed with Pearl? Crunchy boy? Pearl, do you like to share? Oh, she's tired. What do you think about sharing your bed with Pearl?